Hey YouTube, on today's episode of Garage Boys, I'm going to show you how to fix your gear shifter. Usually Ford vehicles, you probably have this issue. If you have an older Ford vehicle, your shifter's out of place. It's always in the wrong letter. Let's say you want to put it on first gear. You can't go to first, you can only go to second, and drive will be in neutral will be in reverse will be in park. You know, it's just a mess. It's a very common problem, and your solution is simple. By your pedals on top, there's a little mechanism, and it always loses a bolt, which in this case is this one. I think it's the same on all the Fords. And you may even find it on the floor. I actually found this one on the floor just looking right. I found it underneath the chair. So if you look, it may sound dumb, but if you look on the floor, if you're having this issue, just look around, you know, in the weird corners underneath and between the seats and stuff, and you'll probably find the bolt that you're missing. What happens is it just falls out of place, and then the whole mechanism is loose. So I'm gonna get underneath. I'm gonna show you. The hard part is just getting in there, and it's gonna be even harder to record, but I'm gonna show you the issue. This is the bolt, the screw that we're gonna put back, and as you can see, it's a Torx, and I already have it here. It's a T30. It's a T30 Torx, and you won't be able to put a screwdriver or anything like that. So you're gonna have to use this. I have a ratchet, and it's this is a special tool that you can fit those little things on, but it's a one quarter socket. So you're gonna use that. Oh, that's what I'm gonna try to use actually. But I'm gonna get underneath. The hardest part, like I said, is getting in there. What you're gonna have to do is push your seat back, push your back all the way to the back, lean all the way to the back, and then I'm gonna basically throw my head in there, and then my feet are gonna be in the ceiling of the car. So basically I'm gonna be upside down inside the car. That's the only position you can get. So you're gonna have to lay on the seat upside down, so you can kind of get in there. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get in there, and I'm gonna show you right now what to do and what the issue is. There's a fix for all the vehicles that have this issue. All right, guys. So come up here underneath your car, just so you can see where I am. You know, handbrake, pedal, emergency brake, and then the steering wheel right there. You come underneath, just show you where I am. Okay, so this is your pedal mechanism for your brake right here, and right underneath, right behind it, as you can see back here, and let me get in a good spot. See this bolt, this screw right there, that bolt, it's just the same as the one that I found on the floor. You should have the same one regardless of what year model you have, what vehicle, what Ford vehicle. But if you come in here, and let me see, you'll see right there, I'm missing it. It goes right there in that hole right there. Let me see if I can. It's really hard. I'm upside down. I have a cold. I can barely speak. But it's right there. So what you want to do is, let me see, yeah, that hole right there. So the problem is that, as you can see, let me try and show you. Very difficult, guys, to record in there at the same time. Okay, so I'm trying to put the screw in, but it won't go in because because it's not lined up. So you have to move your shifter, and have it aligned with the hole. I guess you can try and do it yourself, or have somebody shake it around while you push in the screw and line it up. As soon as you line it up, you just screw it in there, tighten it up, both of them, and that's it. That's your problem. Just do that, and that will fix your issue. It's very, very common with all the Fords that you see out there. I'm talking about the Expeditions, Explorers, F-150s, even the Grand Marquis and all those models, automobiles. They all have this issue, and it just happens by itself through time, over time. So I hope this helped you guys. Line it up, just tie it up, and that's it. Problem solved. If you know somebody that has this issue, just share this video. Tell your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. It was really hard making this video because it's a really uncomfortable position. Oh, hey guys, before I go, let me show you something. Okay, I already got it in there, fixed my issue, and let me show you something real quick. There you go. As you can see, it's there. This is the setup that I used right there, and you can see the space you have right here. I actually even put an extension. I put it in first gear, so this may help you guys out. Put it in first gear, and it's the perfect spot. The screw goes through, and that's it. I had it in first gear and just did it by myself. And then this is the setup that I use. I want to show you guys this. So that's it. Hope that it fixed my issue. I hope it fixed yours. It should fix yours. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care.